bubbling cheese, the crunch of a crispy crust. There's a reason we love pizza from a stone-fired pizzeria oven. Now the perfect pizza comes home. Introducing the 5-minute pizza oven. It blasts heat like a pizzeria oven and cooks a frozen or fresh pizza in just 5 quick minutes. Sleek and modern on the outside, it melds beautifully into any kitchen design. Inside, dual heating elements accelerate cooking for perfect golden brown cheese and crisp crust. You select which type of pizza, and the oven adjusts to bake to perfection. At 625 degrees, it cooks like fire, but is no hotter than a toaster oven on the outside. The tray is coated with ceramic for uniform heat and the crispiest crust. With one simple move, the handle turns the tray into your own pizza peel. No reaching into the oven, no burned fingertips, no clumsy hot pads. In just 5 minutes, the toppings cook through. Cheese is browned and bubbling. No cold spots, no burning, no uneven baking. And the crust? Pizzeria crispy and crunchy. Whether it's a thin crust or deep dish, this is the ideal pizzeria experience. The perfect temp, the perfect time.
This is the Breville Crispy Crust Pizza Maker. It's one of the first countertop home appliances that can actually heat to 660 degrees. That is hot enough to create a super crispy restaurant-style crust. I've already preheated the pizza maker. I'm now going to select the thickness of the crust that I'm going to be making. And for this pizza, we're going to make a thin crust. So just simply turn the dial to thin. I've already rolled out my dough and I've covered it in pizza sauce and some fresh mozzarella. My pizza peel is covered in a little semolina flour so it should slide off really easily. Another tip though is you can always roll out your pizza dough on a piece of parchment paper, slide the entire thing, paper included, into the pizza maker, and then after about 2 minutes of cooking, remove the paper. But today I'm just going with a semolina. Lift the top of the pizza maker and be careful, it is hot. And we'll just gently slide it onto the hot pizza stone. Close the lid. And a thin crust pizza like this should cook in just about 5 or 6 minutes. This handy viewing window right on top will let me keep track of how the cheese is melting and how the crust is bubbling up. No matter what thickness you choose, you're going to want to roll out your dough to about 10 inches in diameter. And it's been just a few minutes and already I can see my sauce bubbling, the cheese melting, and the dough starting to get nice and puffy on the crust. You may notice a little smoke coming out the back. That's because this pizza stone is brand new. But over time, when your stone gets well seasoned, you'll notice that the level of smoke definitely decreases a bit, but this is completely normal and nothing to worry about. It's been just a few minutes and my pizza is already finished. Let's take a look. How gorgeous is that? With a nice big spatula, I'm just going to
could you not love it? New York style, Chicago style, grandma pies, stuffed crust, thin crust, calzones. You could never go wrong with a good slice of pizza. But the king of pizzas is hands down the Neapolitan pizza. Crisp, tender, airy crusts, oozing melted cheese, and otherworldly flavors from even the simplest ingredients will forever change how you think of pizza. Plus, they're cooked in under 2 minutes. But there's one problem. A proper Neapolitan pizza must be baked in about 90 seconds in an oven reaching around 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Usually, the only way to do this is to get a massive
Hi, I'm Kim and this is the Pizza Box, a complete oven for every kind of pizza. Frozen pizzas, but of course also your own creations, and even to heat up a home-delivered pizza. Just slide the pizza easily in the box, set the timer and temperature, and the Pizza Box will do the rest. The Pizza Box doesn't need to heat up like traditional ovens, so your pizza is ready in a snap, and it also saves a lot of energy. The Pizza Box has a rotating griddle and is heated from underneath and above. The best way to prepare pizzas, even if you don't have an oven. The removable griddle has a non-stick coating and is easy to clean. The compact shapes makes it fit in every cabinet.